and welcome back to the channel, everyone. Today we're going to be doing a little bit of a different project. We won't be working on the truck behind me, but we will be fixing the lights in the garage. Right now we have one 4-foot light above me here and one 4-foot light over there. I've been using these remote lights, just like this one, 2 of these to light up the projects that we've been working on so far. I'm hoping to add a little bit more light to the garage. I purchased a 12-pack of the 6-inch recessed LED lights. So those are coming in later this week. Today we're going to be marking where we want the ceiling lights, drilling the holes, running the power wires, and probably home running them back to the sub panel on the other side of the garage and having them on a separate circuit. They're about 12 watts each, which should calculate out to about 9 amps on the circuit. So I'll probably put in a 15 amp sub panel breaker. So let's get to it. I have all of the ceiling lights marked where we want to actually drill the holes. It's hard to see. All the way across. The light's all the way down there. I'm going to leave the center 4-foot fluorescent tube right here, but I'm going to put a light right up here, and then same spot on the other side of the light to be right up here. It's coming up pretty good. Now let's start drilling some holes. I'm going to tape a plastic bag up and around the ceiling from where I'm drilling the hole to help catch a lot of the dust and debris coming down, so it prevents a little cleanup. This is going to be a mess. Four more holes right behind me here. 1, 2, 3, 4. Gonna get those drilled right now, so let's do it. This is the 6 3/8 inch hole saw I've been using to cut out all the holes with. Works pretty good, but makes a nasty mess. What are the chances on the very last hole the hole saw breaks? Might be able to re-weld that back together, but I'll have to finish the last hole by hand. Got the power run to all these different lights. I'm going to keep going over here now. We got to run those. bought a few packs of these off of eBay. Little 6-inch, really slim ceiling lights. So we're gonna be installing these up into the ceiling holes right there and all around the garage ceiling. So let's get to it. They all come with these little boxes just like this. Pop them open and you connect in all your wires. This goes to the actual light. And comes with wire nuts. So the first thing we need to do is we need to knock this knockout out and put in one of these cable connectors. It keeps the wires from moving around. So this actually just screws right into the box right there, clamps down on your electrical wires going into the box, keeps the wires from moving around, shorting out. Take a regular screwdriver, put it in a little slot right there. You start twisting back and forth. Breaks that right out, just like that. Unscrew the washer off, the nut. That goes into the box, like this. And the nut retaining ring goes on the inside. Just one of these to tighten it up. Just play around with spinning until I get it to the position I want. Or it tightens up nice right there. So now, got the electrical box that we're wiring into. Got our cable tie down. This hooks down the cables. We just wire up to here. And we do that about 14 times in here. So let's get to it. What the light looks like. Really thin. Now this just plugs right into the box we just wired up in the ceiling there. Really thin. now to test out the new lights. Here's the new switch I put in. Boom. It is nice and bright in here now. I still have to do the lights above the single car garage door, but this is the 2-car garage with all the lights on. And this is what it looks like with the original 4-foot fluorescent tube. Not nearly as bright. All the lights on. Much better. Alright everyone, that's going to be a wrap for this video. We've got all the lights up in the ceiling, put in and finished off. They turn on and off nicely. A lot brighter in the garage now. Should be much easier for you guys to see what I'm working on, as well as myself seeing what I'm working on without having to pull out extra lights. So if you liked it, please be sure to like, share, and subscribe to the channel. Next video, we'll be back working on the truck again, so I'll see you in the next video. Thanks for watching.